Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Somebody really needs to hear this message this morning, so please receive it and listen. Listen, hear and listen, okay? It's really important as survivors that we don't get so caught up in our emotions that we can't even see straight. We can't see anything logical at that point because we just caught up all in our emotions and our feelings, and it's keeping us from seeing a clear picture of what is going on. Okay. And with that being said, survivors, everybody cannot sit at your table. Let me repeat that. Everybody cannot sit at your table. All right. When people are coming into your life, relationships, they should be mutual exchanges. Okay, mutual exchanges. So if you are in some lopsided situation where someone's coming into your life and they're not bringing anything positive to you, they're not pulling their weight, they don't have nothing to offer you, something is wrong with that picture. Something is wrong with that picture. And I don't care if they, don't let them manipulate you, get all up in your head and try to play with your emotions and your feelings. It's a distraction so that you can't see what's really going on. Okay, these narcissists, they are opportunists. They're opportunists. So is someone trying to come up with you or off of you? Are they trying to come up with you in life or just come up off of you as an opportunist? This is what you really need to be seeing and understanding. And then once you realize, oh, this person is just trying to come up off of you, because it's going to be revealed through their actions. You're going to see the selfishness. You're going to see the self-centeredness. You're going to see how they're not there for you in your time and needs. You're going to see how they're just taking and not giving. How long are you willing to let this go on, survivors? Huh? Because you felt like you cared for them. You feel like but do they care for you? Do they love you in return? We got to stop getting in our emotions, because you're sending something in one direction and it's like going down a one-way street. We need to be reciprocated. We need two-way streets, okay? Coming and going. Flowing in, flowing out. Because then that's when you're just getting withdrawn from. And that's when you end up in the negative. Okay? And then that's why a lot of times that narcissists leave, we feel like we took one step forward with them and 1,000 steps backwards by the end of it. Because they just took. And this is beyond just monetary. Okay? They took from you on so many levels. And then you're exhausted and you're drained. But to nip that all in the bud, when you are meeting people, you have to, what are they bringing to your table? Because you know what you're bringing. I haven't met a survivor yet that didn't have the biggest heart, wasn't kind, patient, generous, giving, hardworking, usually have their lives together. You're bringing all of that to the table. Now, what are you bringing to me that you're going to be worthy enough to sit in the table and receive all of everything that I have to bring? We got to stop all this lopsided stuff, because it's setting us back. It's eating up our resources. And yes, can we recover from it? Yes, but imagine how much further you would have got if you didn't accept these lopsided situationships to begin with. So we have to get more clarity on our logic and get out of those emotions. Okay? Raise our emotional maturity and recognize the game, guys. I'm so saddened and, tired of seeing, us survivors getting used and abused. Okay? Used and abused. You have been through enough. You have to start guarding and protecting yourself moving forward. You have to have a different mentality when you are selecting people. Because if you're about something, you're going to attract, opportunists. Yeah, you're going to attract all kinds of people. And some of them will be users and opportunists. Okay? All right, guys. So I just wanted to deliver this message because a lot of people have fallen into that trap with the narcissist and just with toxic people, period. And we have to end that cycle because it's distractions. Okay? It's distractions. All right, guys. So if this video resonates with you, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Over 300 videos, guys, here to help you heal from narcissistic abuse, toxic relationships, and your shadow work. Help you, come into your peace, increase your emotional maturity, get a lot of pearls of wisdom when it comes to relationships, and just find your way better to make better decisions with people and in life, okay? I have books, guys, on Amazon.com, Barnes & Nobles, Create Space. I've written 4 books that help you along the line in these ways as well. You can also get them off of my website, LakiaCrawford.com. If you order it from the website, you can get signed copies. I have no Narc Zone merchandise on my website, LakiaCrawford.com. You can feel free to check that out as well. What else? The support group, guys, on Facebook, Lakia Reflection and Progression Crawford, okay? Feel free to go there. We have a lot of fun. We're exchanging information and, it's additional support to help you on your healing journey, okay? And get around some other people, some like-minded people, all right? That's important. We got to start changing our circles. We got to clean house. Because chances are that narcissist isn't the only toxic person that you had coming, cross paths with. It's not the only one. So we have to really start cleaning house. All right. What do they bring to the table? Do they deserve to really sit at your table and enjoy the fruits of your labor? What did they contribute to that? What are they bringing into your life now? Okay. It's not selfish. It's not using other people. It's being equally yoked. It's being on the same page. It's protecting your energy and your resources. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day and stay mindful. Stay woke.